everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I'm crazy. Okay, I'm crazy every day, but I'm especially crazy today because I'm sure you could see the title down there somewhere. I'm doing another painting project. Yes, I wasn't going to do it, even though I wanted to do it last year, I just couldn't. And I shouldn't do it this year, but because I missed it last year, I'm like, I gotta do it this year. I got to. And I saw everyone's intros. I'm like, you know what? Just suck it up, Jess. Just suck it up and do it. So I am joining into, let me give the official title, the Graveyard Project Pan. This is round 2. And for those of you on Instagram, it is hashtag Graveyard Project Pan. This was started by Emily. She is Emily and Max on YouTube, and I believe she's Emily and Max on Instagram as well. This project is really right up my alley. I usually finish my products in a painting project, but there are times when I don't, and I feel like I need to redeem myself when I cannot finish product, and that is kind of what this whole project is about. I'm going to read the details down here. This runs from April 30th. Yes, I'm getting a late start. And I'm actually filming this on April 30th, just so we're clear. It's just going to go up, you know, a little late. So it starts on April 30th, ends on Halloween, October 31st. And it is 5 to 10 products. It is rolling. Here are the categories. There are 2 categories, and right now with what I'm starting with, I'm only starting with the first category, and I may roll in some of the second categories. The first category is the resurrection, like you're bringing your products back from the dead. These are products that are from your project painting graveyard, like products that you have had in a previous project and were unable to finish them. So you're resurrecting them from an old project and trying to paint them here. So if you have products that just take a long time, or you just weren't able to finish it, this is the place to do it. And let's see. So the other ones are the cobwebs, or they're collecting cobwebs. So anything that is nearing its expiration date, something you've been neglecting for a long period of time, it's just getting old and it really needs to get used up before, you know, before it's just no good anymore. So technically I have some products that could be collecting cobwebs. However, even those old things that are collecting cobwebs actually are in my graveyard, so, or their resurrection. I'm going to get this right eventually, probably by Halloween. All right, so I'm starting with 5 products because I'm crazy, but I'm not insane. I hope you like this dark look today, because I did it just for this, because this is, you know, it's kind of creepy, which I like. I like creepy. All right, so let's get into this. Some of these you have seen recently, some of them have been a while. The first one is the Color Max Photochromatic Pressed Powder in Beige. I had this in pie, or hashtag pan and everything. That's what that looks like starting. I will not be using this one right away because this is much more suited to my skin tone once, you know, we actually get some sun and I can be outside, unlike this monsoon that we have going out here. I'm ready to build an ark. So this one I will be using. But this next one is the one I will be starting with. This is the Ulta Beauty Finishing Powder. This was also in Pan and Everything. And this is my current color that I am wearing, like right now. It's like the color that, it's perfect for my skin tone right now. Words, Jessica. Words. I know it's late at night, but words. So yeah, I'm going to work on this one first. And then when this one's done, hopefully I will have some sun and be able to work on the next one. All right. More stuff, and these definitely don't have cobwebs, but the next 3 that I'm going to show you, they've been collecting cobwebs. The first one is an e.l.f. blush. This is Peachy Keen, and this one is like a really nice neutral blush. I do really enjoy it, and I think it'll go fairly quickly. Yes, I'm panning other blushes, but you know me, I'm going to franken something here. That's just, and frankening is very appropriate, I think, for a kind of grisly, gruesome project pan theme. But yeah, it's very powdery, so I don't think it's going to take super long. I mean, it's going to take more than like a couple of months, but I think it's definitely going to be done before the finale on Halloween. This is old. This is from the 2011, yes, that long ago. Sephora Colorista palette is the only remaining gel eyeliner I have left in there. It is a deep, very dark brown, and hopefully I can get that done. Crossing my fingers. All right, this next one, I do not remember what project I had it in. I know those 4 I had in Pie. This one is the Jessica Quick Dry 60-second drying drops. I know I had it in a project. I just don't remember which. And you can see all my lines right here. This has so little in it. I don't even know if you'll be able to see how little there is in there. It basically just goes across here. And if you don't tilt it, it doesn't look like there's anything in there. Really, it does not take much on the nails. And a lot of my nail polishes, I haven't needed them. But there are some polishes that I just put in my 50 Shades of Pink that definitely need drying drops. So hopefully I can get that done with those. That is my 5. That is what I'm starting with. If I finish anything up, I will definitely roll something new in because I'm a glutton for punishment. And, you know, I don't have enough painting projects going right now. Definitely don't have enough products in. But I really wanted to do this project, really. And I was kind of upset with myself that I wasn't able to do it last year because I really like the theme of it. And I like Emily. She's amazing. She really is. She's so sweet. And if you guys aren't watching her, you really should. She's going to be linked down there. She has like a playlist, and I'm going to put that down there, the spreadsheet of everyone that has joined in. So definitely go check them out. And I'm pretty sure that it's okay if you want to join in. Just let her know, send her a message so that she can put you on the spreadsheet, because I think she's the only one that can edit that. So yeah, definitely let her know if you want to join in. And I'm kind of excited to get started on this. I really am. So I'm going to wrap this up because I'm tired. I need to go crawl in my coffin over there and get some sleep. My eyes are looking all red and bloodshot. That is lack of sleep and allergies, but I digress. What are you going to do? So Emily, thank you for opening this up so that we can all join in. Again, I'm sorry I didn't join last year, but I'm excited about this year. I'm so excited. 6 months, I can get some products done. And I'm excited for it. All right, wrapping it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.